I'm Josh Anderson with the Data Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana. And here's a tech tip caught from our trip to ATIA in 2026.
Hello everyone, I'm here with Luna Glass at ATIA. We're from Holland and we are showing Luna Glass in the US just to introduce it. And what we do is we help people who are night blind due to various retinal diseases like RP. So what we do is we show a live image on the glasses. So what you'll see is a much brighter version of whatever it is you're looking at right in the display of the glasses. We've already checked if this works with a lot of different users, and we'll have the device out in the US around October, November time. We are opening our wait list for that next week, and you can find that at See with Luna online.
Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the Data Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.